If we search for CSS, we can see these results here. As you can see, CSS stands for casting style sheets and is a simple mechanism for adding style, fonts, color, spacing to web documents. For example, in this page, we can see the usage of CSS, the colors, the border radius for buttons, search box, and also the placement of each element. For example, if you see the Google icon and search bar, and on the top right, the button and setting logo and apps logo, they are designed in a neat row, and they are using a flexbox, which is a part of CSS, and this technology is helping us to make our web page more beautiful and in a neat pattern. We use CSS with HTML along with that, and when we built our pages with HTML, when we built our elements, we use CSS to make them more beautiful and uh, give them some kind of colors and spacing and fonts and whatever is needed for making them beautiful and more neat.